Hey, what's up? So, decided I'll try to make my own devlog video on the game I've been making. It is Java based and built completely from scratch. So, figured I'd tell you a little bit about what this game is supposed to be about. This is a open world type Minecraft Terraria-ish game. I took inspiration from both of them. It does have random world generation in it, as well as chunk loading. You can see there is a hotbar down here, 10 slots. I can select which slot I can select which slot with the scroll wheel. And I have an axe that does nothing yet. I was just about to start working on that when I decided, you know what, I have been working a lot on this game and watching nothing but devlog videos, may as well make my own. So, let me talk about what I'm wanting for this game. So, the main thing that I loved about Minecraft and Terraria wasn't necessarily the combat, but the combat was, the combat was pretty good in Terraria. Minecraft, it had yet to be desired. But, in both of those games, the main thing that you could do, besides completely terraform the entire freaking world, was the crafting system. I loved the crafting system in Minecraft, up until you realize that it's really not that complex. And that's what I'm wanting to change in my game. I want the crafting system to be very complex. I want there to be able to have like a 20 plus book manual describing each and every possible combination, essentially. Whether or not it'll get to that point, only time will tell. But I am loving how this is looking so far. I have some basic sprites in here. The player I probably spent maybe 2 minutes on. Now, the hardest part of this all, the part that I was working on basically since the start, is none other than the collisions. For some reason, I cannot seem to get axis aligned box bounding collisions correct. Now, it's working as of right now, but I'm pretty darn sure that it's going to end up breaking, and I'm either going to need to complicate this more or simplify it. But I think I finally got it to a point where it will work regardless. I have been testing it out on various sizes, for example, let's make each block, I don't know. No, that's it. Yeah, let's go with 100 pixels wide. As you can see, the collisions do work regardless of the size. The only issue is when there's too many of them. For some reason, that's when the collisions decide to bug out. Let me demonstrate that for you. So, if I just set that back to 42 and then set this up to, nope, not 10,000, 1,000, and actually, I believe I had that set to 200, and you set to 50. Now, we're still getting about just under 30 frames a second, and you can see some screen tearing going on here. That's mostly caused by the fact that I am not quite drawing the y-axis how I'm drawing the x-axis. But you can see, well, I don't know if you guys would be able to see, but there is a lot of jittering. and I don't know if I ended up fixing this or not, but sometimes it would just send the player flying in one direction through the ground. I know that there is one glitch that I can show you. So the player XY position is always set to the center of the screen. So if you notice, when this goes to a certain point, the player gets launched. So that's a bug that I still need to fix. That's gonna be fun. I'm not looking towards fixing that bug, but you know, this game is coming along. Hopefully I'll have another one of these devlog videos up in a week. I figure week intervals should be good. Only reason why I decided to make some, and I'm not sure if I said this at the beginning of the video, but the whole time I was making this game, I was basically just watching devlog videos, which is why I decided to make one. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.